All right, guys. Just wanted to show you some ways that you come into encounters with equations in the real world, and you probably don't even realize it. So let's take a quick look at one real quick. Okay, so equations in the real world that you encounter all the time would be like when you go to the grocery store and say you're walking through the produce section, and you see a sign that says 4 lemons for $1. Okay, so you're sitting there, and in your head, you're sitting there, okay, 4 lemons for $1 is really an equation of 4 lemons equals $1. And in your head, you go ahead and break it down and say, oh, well, what else is 4 of $1? Well, that would be like a quarter. So you kind of figure out quickly that each lemon's cost a quarter. And then to take it a step further, you can also sit there and figure out how much more lemons would cost or less. So in the case of, say, you needed 6 lemons to make lemonade, you're going to sit there and you know the first 4 are going to cost you $1, and you know that each lemon's 25 cents, so the other 2 is going to cost you 2 quarters, 50 cents, so then 6 lemons are $1.50. So this is kind of the way these what you've been doing here is actually working with equations, and just kind of some of the ways you see them in the real world. Throughout this lesson, we'll be taking a look at some other equations and working with formulas and graphical representations with a little bit more advanced and a little bit higher degree of difficulty. See